You are in the right place if you've ever dreamed of unlocking the endless possibilities of Cleveland's real estate market. Whether you're a first-time home seller, a first-time home buyer, you might be a seasoned investor, or perhaps you've been around the block a time or two, either renting a place or buying and selling your own home, or perhaps you're someone looking to relocate to Northeast Ohio. Welcome to your Cleveland, Ohio real estate market update for March 2024. Get ready to discover insider tips and expert advice that will empower you to make informed decisions and to find your perfect place to call home in the vibrant city of Cleveland or one of the surrounding suburbs. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. I can't wait to talk real estate with you. If you like videos like this one, subscribe to our channel and be sure to comment below about your opinion about the housing market. It may not be based in fact, it may just be based in the heart. You don't know. It's okay. It's interesting to think about. What we'll do today is we're going to cover a few different topics in this video. We're going to start with our national statistics. Then we're going to move on to our state statistics, our local statistics, our hyper-local statistics, and don't worry, I'll cover a little bit about rentals in there too. Now, in the riveting world of national housing statistics, brace yourselves for some permitting news. In January, privately owned housing units authorized by building permits hit a seasonally adjusted annual rate of, ready, 1,470,000. That's more permits than there are people in some of the small countries of the world. But hold on to your hard hats, folks, because here comes the plot twist. This rate is actually 1.5% below the revised December rate of 1,493,000. It's like we're playing limbo with construction permits. But fear not, because it's still a whopping 8.6% above the January 2023 rate of 1,354,000. We are on a roller coaster ride, folks. Now, let's talk single-family authorizations, i.e. building permits. In January, they hit a rate of 1,015,000. That's enough homes to start a small city. But wait for it. Dum-da-dum-dum-dum. Authorizations of permits, buildings with 5 units or more hit a rate 405 in January. We're talking about apartment complexes sprouting up faster than weeds after a rainy day. Which, yes, I have some of those in my house. Stay tuned, because we're going to talk about things that are really important to you, not just on a national level, but on a state level here in Ohio. Home sales started strong in 2024, up for the first time since are both up compared to January of 2023. Now, home sales in January of 2024 reached a 4.5% increase from the home sales that same month a year ago. And the average sales price across Ohio in January reached a whopping $255,000, which is a 7.5% increase. What do you think about that? That's a 1-year 7.5% increase. That is a large increase. All of this information, by the way, is from the Ohio Association of Realtors. If you like videos like this one, I want you to subscribe to our channel, and I want you to be sure to comment below what you really think about the housing market. Let's get local. Okay, I could sing a song, but I won't. Cuyahoga County, our home. Homes for sale in February 2024. 5,188 units, down 5.8% compared to last month. Down 4% compared to last year. Very interesting. Homes closed in February 2024. 2,930 units, that is up 1.5% compared to last month, January, and down 3% compared to last year, same time last year. Homes placed under contract in February 2024, that's 4,050, That's up 30.5% compared to last month, up 5.1% compared to last year. That is really kind of interesting. Now, the average for sale price was actually going up. Sellers, pay attention to this part. Sale price in February 2024 average was up 3.5% compared to last month and up 12% compared to last year. Woo! That's a high number. The thing about it is the average sold price was completely flat. Sellers got excited and priced their homes above the market. Don't do that. Not a good look. The average sold price in February, like I said, was really pretty flat. It was up a little bit compared to last month and up some compared to last year, but we're talking really not very much. Ultimately, it was really pretty flat. Okay, my hyperlocal friends, here we go. South Euclid, 19 homes on market. The average sold price, $170,000. University Heights, 14 homes on the market today. Average sold price, $266,000. And Beechwood, 16 homes on the market. The average sold price was $452,000. Now, if you want the local stats for your city, not a problem. Drop a comment below and I will get them to you right away. I'll post them right there as a reply to the comment. And I do want to talk one more thing, which is about the rental market in Cleveland. If you're a landlord, you might be sitting pretty. Monthly rent is really high right now in relation to mortgage payments. What I want you to do, if you're a buyer or a renter, is to Google this, New York Times rent versus buy calculator. And you're going to find a very useful tool to find out if you should rent or buy. Do not stress out about your 30-year interest rate right this minute. You can refinance down the line, okay? And that's when things go down, of course. What if interest rates go up? Well, guess what? Then you'll feel like you got the best deal ever, and that will be a good thing too. And my investors that are holding properties for rent, they do face certain issues. Permits from the city, repair requests, and just the tolerance of working with other people, i.e. tenants, even dream tenants. If you are renting out your personal home, I want you to be aware that no one will treat the home the way that you do, and you cannot be stressed out about that. You need to, as it were, divorce yourself from the home and allow the person to live there in the way that they live, assuming, of course, that they don't trash your house. Now, if you're a landlord, like I said at the beginning, you might be sitting pretty because that monthly rent is really pretty high right now. On the other hand, a lot of landlords are sitting on a lot of equity and they are interested in selling. And we could talk about that too. So when you look at that New York Times rent versus buy calculator and you discover that your rent is higher than what your mortgage would be, it is time to start thinking, oh my gosh, honey, it really might be time to buy a house. And if you're sick of dealing with your tenants, being a landlord is not a good fit for you, then let's talk. I have another solution, which is just pushing the easy button, which we can talk about at your convenience. What I really want to say like this, the buy, the sell, the rent, markets go up, markets get down, markets go down, markets go up and down. It's kind of like a little song and a dance about the real estate market. You stay tuned to our channel. You'll find out more about the Cleveland real estate scene, and we will keep you informed because now more than ever, knowing your numbers matters.